Alright, last video tonight is Dr. Seuss sounds of grinchmas with 12 silly sounds. Dr. Seuss. Love these. They're fun. The Grinch stood all alone in the wind and the snow. Staring down from empty crumpet at Whoville below. Tomorrow is Christmas, he said with a sneer, for the Grinch hated Christmas and Christmas was near. Then he growled with his Grinch finger nervously drumming. I must find some way to stop Christmas from coming. For tomorrow he knew the Who girls and Who boys would wake bright and early, and then, oh, the noise. Which one do I press for that? Then he got an idea. The Grinch laughed in his throat, and he made a quick Santa Claus hat and a coat. Oh, I didn't show you the pictures. My bad. Here's the first two. He called his dog Max. Then he took some red thread and he tied a big horn on the top of his head. Gadab, said the Grinch, as his sleigh started down toward the homes where the Whos lay a snooze in their town. This is stop number 1, he said from a roof. Then he jumped and slid down the chimney, poof. And while the Who slept, the Grinch took the tree. He took all the food and the presents with glee. Is that how the Who sound while they're sleeping? Okay. Then he did the same thing to the other Who's houses, leaving nothing but crumbs, too small even for the mouses. Back on empty crumpet, the Grinch waited to hear the cries of the Whos with a hand to his ear, but the sound that he heard was merry, not glum. The Whos were out singing Christmas had come. And then something happened. The Grinch's heart, it grew. Maybe Christmas means war, the Grinch said. Who knew? So he brought back the food and the toys, big and small. Then he said with a smile, Merry Grinchmas to all. The end. That was fun. That was fun. I love those books. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please. We really want to go live next month. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video when it comes. Good night, guys. See you later. I hope you like this one. I do. I sure enjoyed it. It was really fun. See ya.